Did you hear that? That's not just a crunch, that's a warning. Once you break one open, there's no going back. Golden and loud on the outside, soft, steamy, and fluffy on the inside. These hash browns are better than McDonald's, better than any takeaway. And I'm saying this confidently. No matter how many you make, they're always less. Kids have a special talent for that. Let's start making them. And yes, I'll share all my tips and tricks. First, wash your potatoes really well. I'm using 3 large potatoes, washing them thoroughly, then peeling them. Potato choice matters here. You want potatoes that are white on the inside, not yellow. These are called Russet or Idaho potatoes, basically the overachievers of the potato world. They grate beautifully and don't turn gummy, which is important because no one asked for potato glue. Once peeled, I'm cutting them in half, only because of the size of my grating machine. If you're grating by hand, you can skip this step. Now grate them one by one. Honestly, machines like this are friendship goals. No tired hands, no struggle. It took me about 30 seconds to grate everything, and I felt productive for the rest of the day because of it. Next, turn on the flame and bring some plain water to a boil. No salt, no drama, just water. Add the grated potatoes and boil them for exactly 4 minutes. This step is extremely important, so this is not the time to check messages. More than 4 minutes, mushy potatoes. Less than 4 minutes, undercooked regret. You'll see starch floating on top. That cloudy look means success. After 4 minutes, drain the water immediately. No hesitation, confidence is key here. Now transfer the potatoes straight into ice-cold water. This temperature shock stops the cooking instantly, basically telling the potatoes, relax, we're done. Rinse them in cold water once or twice until all the stickiness and starch are gone. Now remove the excess water. Press them with a spatula or use a cheesecloth and squeeze gently. Not aggressively, we're making hash browns, not taking revenge. Transfer the potatoes into a clean bowl. Now seasoning time, and please trust this part. Add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, or half black and half white pepper if you like options. Add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and 8 tablespoons corn flour. Yes, 8, this is not negotiable. Mix everything with clean, washed hands until well combined and nicely bound. You'll feel when it's right. The mixture should listen to you. Now shaping. I'm using a cookie shaper or donut cutter. Take a small amount of the mixture, place it inside, and gently press with a spatula so the potatoes spread evenly. Press lightly from all sides so the shape stays intact. Then gently press the sides with your hands, not too hard. We want structure, not emotional damage. That classic hash brown shape, this is it. Repeat with the remaining mixture. Be patient here. From this mixture, I made 10 hash browns. Now freeze them for at least 30 minutes. You can also freeze them for up to 2 months. Future, you will be very grateful. After 30 minutes, they're easy to handle and ready to fry. Once they go into the oil, don't touch them. Not even a little. They need time to become themselves. Wait until they're completely golden brown, then take them out. Look at that color, that is not accidental. Listen to that crunch. Crispy outside, soft and juicy inside. Once you start eating them, stopping is unrealistic. You can shallow fry them, but for proper fast food style crunch, deep frying works best. No matter how many you make, they'll be gone before you can count them. Make these for your family, especially for kids, and tell me in the comments how fast they disappeared. I already know the answer. I'll see you in another recipe. Until then, take care and happy cooking.